Alright, today, taking out the seats so I can get easier access into the dash panel, and so I can pull that dashboard out, disconnect all those wires back there and see what's really going on. There's a few cooked wires I can see, but we're going to delve a little deeper and see what exactly is going on. This is a story of an old horse that somebody gave up on. Old, tired, and rusty. So I decided to rescue this old steed and bring it home. This is Arda Momenti Garage. It's partially extricated. I got to finish unplugging the cable harnesses back there, and then I'll be able to pull the rest of the dashboard out, kind of take a look and see if this thing is even salvageable. It might be. It depends on how deep this rust goes up, because I've actually have welded in patch panels for these before. Turned out okay, not great, but at least it's better looking than that. I might even just take a piece of sheet metal and just, rivet it over that, just to keep it looking nicer than having rust spots there. I do have another dashboard in my garage. I was kind of keeping for my other project, but I don't know. We'll see. Oh yeah, there's all kinds of fun stuff going on in here. This is so bad. That's alright, we'll fix all that. I've got some new wire going on the way, and I'm going to do a little... Oh my god. This is so bad. See if I can get in there and get some of that one. Yeah, the focus on this camera is horrible, so... But yeah, where I'm having the problem right now is this cable right here that feeds the motor wiper power. I am having trouble getting it unmarried. They don't want to come apart. They've been together for 50 years. I wouldn't want to come apart either. Okay, so what I did was I just got out my heat gun and just heated it up a little bit and softened up that plastic, since it's, it's January. But still, it's pretty mild. It's only about probably 37, 38 degrees out. But yeah, it softened it right up. Pulled right apart. Yeah, I forgot to disconnect the battery as I'm pulling all the electrical wires out. I thought I had done that already. I didn't double check. My truck tried to start itself down the driveway. Fortunately, I had faculty enough to pull and scramble the wires, whatever was happening, to make that stop. So I did not have a front-end collision with my other car sitting in the driveway. Okay, I'm at a point of frustration with this, getting this dash out. So I got a radio. It's a factory radio. It's in there. And there's a bracket that's got the wire harness keeping it sandwiched in between the radio. So I can't just pull the dash out. I have to disconnect that radio, which you'd think would be a pretty easy job. So I found one bolt on the bottom. I ground it off, and I still can't get it out. I don't know what to do. So I'm just going to keep plugging away at it. I ground out that screw, but this screw was still keeping it attached to there, because it was... anyway, it's done. See you later. Oh my god. Now I think I can pull this dash out. have here is a really old wiring harness. Yeah. It's old. Okay, here's what I'm dealing with so far. I don't know what year this is from, but I've been looking it up on the interweb. And that's what it's telling me right there. That should actually be a pink wire. But it's an orange wire. So I'm dealing with a later model year. But that's okay. I will cross patch this. Alright, after all that wiring, I got the key ready to go, and yeah, I think it's going to work. That is if the ground hasn't shorted out again. So, we'll see. Here we go. Oh, far from moving. It pulled the wire apart. That's okay. Reconnect it. There we go. Trying to get it in the shot, apparently. Oh, I have to put it this way. All right, here we go. Oh. I think I'm having problems with that relay again. Just a second. All right, see how this works. Yeah, buddy. Alright, I took the fuel line and I put the fuel line into a Coke bottle, and this is what's in the tank. Good thing I didn't leave the carburetor hooked up.